camera to the second camera. Connect the power cord to the second camera.
The white wire is connected to the negative of the tail light or 12 volts DC power system. The red wire is connected to the positive wire of the tail light or 12 volts DC power system. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Touch the CH key to switch to the CAM2 channels. Touch the menu key to enter the pair mode. Touch the OK key to enter the pair.
When in pairing, please power off the camera and quickly power on.
The image from second camera appears on the monitor, means pairing is successful.
Cover the camera with your hand and hold the automatic light.
Touch the CH key to switch to the split mode.
The images appear on both channels.